of the process, resistance and pass on to a screen that is motors creates this is locating a vibrating motion. This vibration allows the fine cell to pass through the mass by larger degrees so may not the top to be discarded. Again, fill the sand pass to the next falls onto a metal conveyor user cleans and away from the machine. Divided it into separate piles of container. 10.
Welcome to Ventures and Sports Creative Science Fair. Phuket 26 today we are here to demonstrate working model of telescope. Uses of telescope. Telescope are optical instrument designed to magnify distant object by gathering light.
This telescope is primarily used in astronomy to observe stars, planets and galaxies, but also serves crucial roles in space exploration, scientific research and celestial observation like bird watching and wildlife spotting.
Good morning everyone. I wish you a happy National Science Day. Welcome to Vidya's and Sports K2 Science Fair 2K26. Today we are here to demonstrate a working model of butterfly mechanical fan. This model is based on the conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy through the use of an elastic rubber band. The structure is made from popsicle sticks providing a stable vertical and horizontal support.
In central rotating the axle is connected to the fan blades attached to the axle is a small white disc which is central pin. The rubber band is the core energy storage compartment. It is looped around pins on the horizontal support, then hooked onto the pin of the central pulley. When the rubber band is twisted or stretched and then released, it releases it to store potential energy by manually turning the fan blades. The rubber band is wound around the central axle.
Action stretches band storing potential energy. Once released, the rubber band tension causes it to contract and unwind. This force is transferred to the central pulley. The unwinding rubber band exactly torque on the pulley, causing the axle, the attached fan blades to rotate rapidly.
The butterfly expert likely refers to reciprocating or accelerating motion that might be achieved if the rubber bands were attached in the way that creates a back and forth movement. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I wish you a very happy National Science Day. Welcome to the Science Sports Creative Science Fair 2K26. Today we are demonstrating a working model of hydraulic missile launcher Pascal's principle. The goal of this project is the uses of syringes and pistol rubbing filled with a color liquid. According to Pascal's principle, any pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted and emitted in all directions throughout the fluid. When you push the plunger of the master syringes, it forces the liquid through the tube and into the slave syringe attached to the wooden tube.
This causes the second plunger to extend it, which in turn moves the launcher arm. One set of the syringe is used to raise and lower launcher arm, adjusting the pitch or angle of the missile. A second set of the syringes rotate and a flat from left or right. When the button is pressed, it lightly completes the circuit to a small motor that releases a spring-loaded mechanism or an air pressure blast to propel the rocket.